Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I'm going to show you my Harry and David post-Christmas haul. I love Harry and David items. They sell all kinds of things that would be perfect on someone's charcuterie board. Basically sausages, cheeses, cookies, cakes, all kinds of things that a person might like to serve for the holidays or any special occasion really. But in my opinion, they're a bit pricey. So what I like to do is wait specifically each year until the holiday period is over. And then I swoop in during the after Christmas sales. I have a personal guideline for myself that I won't buy anything unless it's at least 50% off from Harry and David. So this year I did really well. I got what is called, let me check, it's called the Classic Christmas Party Gift. It's sold out right now, but it cost me $199. Normally the price on this was $4.99. So I did pretty well, like it was basically 60% off. It was a ton of individual gifts, basically things that a person might have bought individually, but they were in a big grouping. So theoretically, if you unpacked everything and served it at once, it could be your Christmas party spread. However, my family, just being us, even though we're a little bit of a large size family, it's going to take us a little while to go through these things, which is fine with me. Some of it needs to be eaten quickly, like the fresh pears, and some of it can wait a while, like the preserves and things that are in glass sealed jars, that are canned in jars. Those will last quite a while. Anyway, let me just get right to it and show you what all is here. Now, the original shipping container was very large. It was hard to move. My high schooler had to help me bring it in the house. And the shipping label said 45 pounds. Now that's with all of the packaging. As I recall, I believe it was around 30 pounds, give or take, maybe a couple of pounds here or there, for the food items themselves. Because this item is not available on the website anymore, I can't really go back and check all the details. But there are still, even now, mid-January, there are still quite a few Christmas-themed items that are 50% or more off. Some of them are not quite 50%, but you can still find some large groupings or small groupings of things that you might like to have at a steep discount for Harry and David. There's a lot of Moose Munch popcorn. Some of you might know it's like a sugared up, chocolatey version of popcorn. I'm sorry, you hear my dog Luke in the background prancing around and shaking his head. He's doing just fine. He just is moving around and happy to be alive like he is every day. Anyway, let me just get right to opening up these things so you can see. Also, if you feel that I talk too slow, because I'm a Southerner and we have that Southern drawl and Southern slow speed, you can go into the settings of this video and you can move the speed up to 1.5, 1.75, 2.0, and it'll go a lot faster for you. Personally, I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I set a lot of my videos or a lot of other people's videos that I watch from my watch later list, I set them on those higher speeds, and then I get to watch all those many more videos. All right, here we go. This is the outer shipping box that it came in that landed on my front doorstep. It's got a lot of the little fluffy padding things and some advertisements, but it was a huge box. Okay, so all in all, we have 8 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at $200, roughly speaking. That's going to be what, around $25 a box. It's a good price for Harry and David things. Also, I have a Celebrations passport with that company and several others that offer me free shipping through the passport. Okay, this is box number 1, and this is Moose Munch Premium Popcorn. I'm doing this by myself, so I need 2 hands in order to lift it out of the box. Let me do that, and then I'll show it to you. Okay, so this is pretty. This is a nice size tin also. Inside are 4 bags of the Moose Munch popcorn. We have dark chocolate peppermint bark We have dark chocolate salted caramel. We have holiday milk chocolate. And then this last one is churro. So there we go. Those are going to be fun. Everybody in my house likes Moose Munch, so that will be fun. I even will bring these to work sometimes and snack on those. Okay, here is box number 2. It says fresh fruit packed below. So let's see what all we have. We have got, well, this is upside down. Okay, we've got sesame seed Christmas tree crackers. We have, this looks like some more Moose Munch. And we have, this looks like, I think Jordan almonds. Let's see, milk, chocolate, almonds. Yep, chocolate candy coated almonds, also known as Jordan almonds in my neck of the woods. We have some Christmassy covered pretzels, yogurt peppermint pretzels. So that's fun. We have a brick of garlic jack cheese. And then, let's see. Oh, we got other things in here. Let's see. Let's pull this out. We need to open all of these and see what is in these boxes. Okay, again, I'm doing this one-handed by myself, so let me pull this out and then I'll show you. Okay, in this little box, we have got raspberry-filled shortbread cookies. And we have several of Harry and David's iconic pears. Now, they were each covered in their own little tissue paper, and these pears really are a cut above. You cannot find pears like this in the grocery store. The texture is completely different. They are so juicy that when you bite into them or cut into them, the juice will just, run down your hand. It's really something else. So those have to be eaten quickly. They don't last forever. They're picked and shipped at the peak of ripeness. We've got some truffles here, and then we have a pack of peppermint bark. There it is, peppermint bark. So that's really nice. And then it's in a reusable wooden crate. So that'll be nice. I can use that all year long, or even Christmas decor next year. Next, we will get into box number 3. Again, I'm doing it one-handed. I'm gonna cut this off and then unpack it and show you. There's a pretty wintertime box with a snowflake. Okay, there's a closure on this box that is really neat. It's magnetic. So it opens like that. There's a magnet right in here, in this top section right here. And it says, "Make it merry." And let's see what all's in here. Of course, there's advertisements and more pears. See how they're each individually wrapped in their own tissue? Okay, so we have got some dried fruit, Paradise Mixed dried fruit. We've got some more shortbread cookies. Let's see what flavor some of these are. Let's see. Doesn't tell me right off the bat. Let's see if I can find Gayette cookies. Is that how you say it? Is it Gayette or Galette? Do you say the L? I'm not sure, but let's see. Raspberry. More raspberry cookies. Moose Munch, milk chocolate. We have sweet and spicy snack mix. That's always very good. Underneath the cookies, we have another box of truffles. And then we have this, which is more covered pretzels. Let's see, yogurt pretzels. And then we have this, which I think is the chocolate covered cherries. Yes, chocolate cherries. Isn't that nice? My family loves chocolate cherries every Christmas. And then in here we have a jarred item. This is sesame honey mustard dip. Nice. And then we have, I believe these are sesame sticks. Let's see. Oh, honey wheat pretzels. So we have a little bit of sweet, a little bit of savory, fresh fruit. We got it all going on here. So that is a very nice box. And then you close it, see. Well, I think I've got it not laying down properly to close all the way, but it is a, oh, here's the magnets. You might be able to see this way. See, there's a magnet. This is what you get for doing it one-handed. And there's another magnet. But anyway, when it closes properly, there we go. You can hear it click. Okay, so that's box number 3. Next, we're going to go on to box number 4. Okay, more advertisements on the top. Packing, packing, packing. Ooh, let's see. We'll lift out a stack of boxes. I'm going to have to turn this off again and unpack those to show you. So in this container, we had 3 boxes of truffles, small, medium, and large. We have a 6-pack, a 12-pack, and a 24-pack. And you can see that the flavors are written on the side of the box. Milk chocolate, coffee, cherry, almond, raspberry, and dark chocolate. That's really nice, and I love that they're wrapped individually. If a person had wanted to give these out as a gift or even a hostess gift for like New Year's kind of parties or get-togethers or something, you could do that. But in my family, honestly, I think we're going to eat them all ourselves. This is box number 5, and I turned it around so that you could see it says Noel real pretty on the side, and it is a wooden box, a crate. So that is definitely going to get reused next year and in the coming years for Christmas. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is going to also require 2 hands. All right, so I pulled it out of the crate, and now the cardboard box inside reveals pears. Look at all of these beautiful pears. They look amazing, except for one. Looks a little bit moldy. So Harry and David guarantees your satisfaction. All I have to do is just write an email to them and show them a picture of that one being moldy, and they will make it right, I'm sure. But see, this is another reason why it's really good that they're individually wrapped. So if you have one, it doesn't spoil the whole bunch. The rest of them look amazing. So I will just make note of that one so that I can contact Harry and David. Okay, now it's time for box number 6. Okay, in this box is the Harry and David Christmas Book of Cookies. It's 1 pound, 6 ounces of all kinds of cookies. All right, we take away the advertisements and we can see there is a wonderful assortment of all kinds of cookies in here. Again, the galettes, however you say it. I see raspberry. I see some different color fillings in here. I see something chocolate. I see some type of cream filled. So this will be really nice. This won't last long at my house at all. Okay, here we are fixing to pop the seal on box number 7. Okay, this is really pretty. This is a Christmas tree shaped wooden board with dried fruit. I can see all kinds of things in here. We've got some kiwi, I can tell that. We've got some apricots, I believe. I think we may have some cherries in there. Anyway, it looks like a good variety. And see, it's all arranged by color, so it's really beautiful. Dried fruit tree, apple rings, pears, peaches, plums, apricots, kiwi, golden raisins, cranberries, cherries, and blueberries. That is a lot. So that is a wonderful variety. You can put these with all kinds of things on your charcuterie board. Next and last, box number 8. Okay, so here is our final box. We have water crackers, Gouda cheese, 3-seed hors d'oeuvre crackers. We have got a summer sausage. We have a Thuringer summer sausage. We have the classic Harry and David pepper and onion relish. This is by far the most popular relish that Harry and David sells. One of the most popular things to do with this at a get-together is pour an entire jar of this relish over top a brick of cream cheese. You don't heat it up, nothing, just room temperature. Put the cream cheese on a plate, pour the pepper and onion relish over it, and then let people serve themselves with that, from that, to go with the various kinds of crackers. We have got a little honey hot mustard and a second little honey hot mustard. These are 3.2 ounces each, and a sharp white cheddar cheese, and another Thuringer sausage. So we have got quite a variety here. We've got some sweet things, some savory things, but all in all, let's open this up. Again, you'll see we have got quite a variety here. Something for everyone. Here's the inside of this box again, this, and then the Moose Munch. So all of this will be a nice little set of gourmet, excuse me, a nice little set of gourmet treats for my family for some time. And I got it at a discount. Excuse me, I'm trying to get over a sinus infection. That's why my throat is a little bit froggy from time to time, but I'm on antibiotics, so that will go soon. So I hope that you enjoyed going through this set with me. It's a little bit expensive, even with the discount, but for the quality it is, you truly cannot beat it. Harry & David is an excellent name brand. You can sometimes find them in nicer stores or shopping malls, but this was through the internet for me. They also have a catalog that you can do catalog shopping from, like an old-fashioned in-the-mail paper catalog. Anyway, I went through the internet. Like I said, I also have the Celebrations Passport, which gives me free shipping on several of the other associated companies that this overarching company owns, Wolferman's Bakery, Cheryl's Cookies, things like that. I am not getting any kind of reimbursement or consideration from Harry & David for making this video. This is truly my own personal ideas and thoughts and opinions, but this is a regular thing for me. I literally wait until after Christmas, basically in January, because sometimes the prices continue to drop the next few days after Christmas. Wait till January. Once I've got a really good price that I spot online for something that our family will enjoy, then I jump on it. Also, I went through Rakuten, Rakuten, to get even more of a rebate. That is a shopping portal, and I will try to leave my link below. Now, if you go through the link that I'll leave in the description in order to sign up for Rakuten, because they do a lot of different companies for hundreds and hundreds of companies on the website, on the internet, hundreds of company websites on the internet, you get a small percent back as a rebate, and then they send you that money every quarter once you hit the minimum. Anyway, I've been doing that for over a decade. If you use my link, I will get a referral bonus, and I believe that you'll also get a referral bonus. The bonuses change from time to time. I'm not sure what the current one is at this particular moment, but I will try to include that for you down below. Anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed this, and just seeing what a variety of things there are available. If you like to have some gourmet treats in the house, this is a really cost-effective way to do it. All right, thank you again for stopping by. My name's Beth, and this is how I'm doing it. Okay, quick note, when I was unpacking this after I had made the video, I didn't realize under the Gouda was also Sicilian Jack and pepper jack cheese. So just a few more goodies. Okay, I want to give a little update. I just now, on a Sunday, talked to Harry & David customer service. It was very quick and easy. They looked up my account information very quickly. They are sending me out a replacement shipment of the pears to account for the one that was rotten. So I will have to say excellent, top-notch service. We estimate that the pears will show up here in 3 to 4 days. So I just wanted to give an update. Harry & David did the right thing, and they made it very easy, and they corrected for the rotten pear. You know, these are natural food products. Stuff happens, you know, and if I only have one rotten pear out of however many different boxes and shipments that I've had with Harry & David through the years, I've got to say that is really a good record in my book. And the fact that they made it right so quickly. They're just a very quality company. So I do want to give a satisfactory evaluation to Harry & David for making this right and making it so easy to get resolution. All right, so this should be the real end of my video. Again, I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it.